On basically every site you create, you will want to display custom lists of posts. In our example, we have a site about gyms and trainers, and here's our homepage. Besides some static content, we also have different lists of posts, like this one. In Toolset, we call it a view. Here's another view that lists gyms. As you can see, you can have multiple views on the same page. In this video, we'll see how to design this list of top personal trainers. We'll select which fields to display for each post and add some nice styling to the elements. Views output dynamic content. Here, it means that if a new trainer with a high rating appears on our site, the view will automatically reflect the changes. And before starting, here is my custom post type for trainers, and here is one of the custom trainer posts. Besides the post title and main content, we have a few custom fields we created, and we'll display them within our view. Okay, let's do it. I'll edit my home page and scroll to the part where I want to display my list of top trainers. Let's add a static heading first to give our list a nice context. I insert the Toolset heading block and type in the title. Use the right sidebar to tweak options and styling for the selected block. I'll center align it and then expand the typography section to make the text uppercase for better appearance. Okay, now we are ready to create the actual view. Click the plus button and insert the view block. Give your view a name and click to create it. Here, you can enable the basic output options for your view like pagination and custom search. We are building a simple view, so I'll turn off the pagination. And below, you can select how your view items are displayed. For example, it can be a grid, a table, and so on. We want to display our trainers in a grid, so let's stick to the default option. In the final step, we select the post type that we want our view to list. We select personal trainers and click to continue. Our view was created and we can start designing our list of posts. We're inside the view loop, which is the heart of our view block. The orange border indicates the editing area. Here you design the appearance of a single item in your view. If it sounds complex, let me simply show you what it means. Let's add the first block. We want to display the trainer's photo, so let's use the Toolset image block. We want to display a different image for each of our trainers, so I choose the dynamic source. I select the field group and then the trainer photo, which is the name of our custom field. And there it is. The preview was updated and we see our grid with an image for each post. Before adding more fields, let's add the Toolset container block first. It will allow us to group our elements and display them all on the same background, in our case, white. I will expand the background section and select to use a solid color. I'll use the color picker to select the one I need. Before moving on, let's drag and drop our image into the container. This way, it will be grouped with all other fields. Okay, let's start inserting blocks into our new container. We want to display the trainer's name as an H3 heading, but again, it needs to be dynamic and come from the post title. No problem, we insert the Toolset heading block, turn on the dynamic heading text option, and select the post title as the source. Let's also select the H3 option and center align it. Okay, let's add the trainer rating now. It is stored as a custom numeric field in our site, but we want to display it as a set of stars. So, we can use the Toolset star rating block. Again, we make the field dynamic, select the group of fields, and that's it. Because the trainer rating field is the only numeric field in this group, it gets auto-inserted. Let's change the icon color to a custom green color. And let's also center align the block. Nice, we're doing pretty good. Let's continue by adding the Learn More button. We use the Toolset button block because again, we need the button to be a dynamic link. We enable the dynamic button URL option and select the post URL as the source. This means the button will take users to the trainer's individual page. Let's also center align the button and change its label. There are many more options you can tweak for your buttons, like fonts, colors, borders, hover states, and more. While I'm here, I'll quickly make the button rectangular. Okay, cool! We are done with designing the content of our single loop item. But we want to list our posts in 4 columns instead of the default 2. We can easily change this. Click the block navigation button and you will see a list of your blocks and their hierarchy. Click to select the View Loop block. Expand the Loop Style section and adjust the number of columns. That was easy. And right now, our view displays all trainers, but we want to display only the top 4 ones. Toolset allows you to easily adjust, filter, and sort the posts that your view outputs. Click the block navigation button and switch to the View block. There are many view options you can tweak here. We expand the Limit and Offset section and change the number of items to display to 4. Cool! The view now displays only 4 trainers. But wait, we also want to show only the top-rated trainers. No problem, we can easily order the output. Expand the Ordering Settings section and select the trainer rating as the field to sort by. Descending sort direction is fine. And let's use the post date for the secondary sorting. This way, we will show the newest entries for top trainers first. Okay, that's it. Let's save our page and look at it on the front end. Very nice, we did well. We could now return to the editor and tweak the styling further. For example, we could add a nice green border to our container block and adjust the margins.